thank you guys for coming even though maulan. Yun lang, enjoy lang tayo guys. Have fun. Thank you.
Thank you so much, everyone. I'm so happy and feeling blessed na makita yung mga, few selected people na very, very close sa aking heart.
So Lord, thank you rin Lord sa life ni Joffrey, ni Gab, and Miguel, Lord. Such a wonderful family. We're praying and lifting up all of them, Lord, their heart to the perfecter of our faith. We ask and pray in Jesus' name. Pink is correct! Bangga na may bagoong is wrong. Upo ka na to. Congratulations, Rhea. Ayan. Pinakbet is number 1. That's correct. Biningding is correct. Wow, galing idea. Wow, Shala Chanel. Chapsuy is correct. Ayan. Bags is correct. Yes. Nagtitinda lang siya ng perfume. Jewelries, Pandora meron. Tama, pasok! Yay! Congratulations, Dad. Or mga relo is correct. Earrings. Galing, mali. Necklace is wrong. Sunglasses or shades is correct. Belt is correct. Ayan, get their price. Wow, Shala. May favoritism. Wow, another handbag for Aya. Wow.
Right? So, prioritize mo yung health mo palagi.
You did a great job. You ought to enjoy, have fun, and let's cheers to your more years to come. Have a blessed 40th birthday, Lando. I love you.
And of course, sana magbayad na rin ng utang yung mga pinagkakautang mo.
Iyak ako. So, I love you.
So, yun, Kulot, continue your faith kay Lord kasi yun yung pinakamahalagang
Praise to God talaga na gumaling siya, naging okay siya, and everything.
And again, lagi tayo nag-uusap over the cup of coffee. So, bibigyan ka ng JC from Star. Gumigising at ngayon babawi na.
may pailang awit ng buhay ko. Bagong man ang hugis ng puso ko.
The fears that I have
In your eyes, I could see my dreams, reflections in your eyes.
Tumakbo ka rin patungo sa'kin kapag bumibigat na ang iyong dibdib.
I'm coming up, I'm going low. I'm getting low, getting low, getting low. I'm feeling it when I'm sipping low.
Mike, para araw-araw ka mag-live habang kumakanta. Dahil dito naman talaga tayo nagbabanding sa kantahan, di ba? Maging mabait, huwag ka na maldita, huwag ka na nagpo-post sa social media ng mga pinangautang-utang sa'yo. Kasi maraming may mga utang. Hayaan mo sila.
Ang masasabi ko, gusto ko maging maayos pa rin ang pamilya niya. Hanggang sa maging lola na siya.
Looking forward na maging healthy ka pa.
Natutuwa ko dahil natupad ng anak ko yung kanyang minimiting buhay. Okay na ako doon.
We are proud of you sa Blackwood po sa amin po. Happy birthday po kami. Love you po.
Kami po ay nagpapasalamat po sa lahat ng ginawa po sa amin. And of course, cheers po para po sa birthday niyo po.
Ang wish ko, actually, hindi lang para sa kanya, para sa akin. Bago kami tumanda, mag-travel na mag-travel. Continue catching our dreams. And
Ang arte. Yo!